Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. We've got a quad color spiral, a red, navy blue, green, and yellow, and it has made a beautiful looking rainbow from what we can see from here. We've got it outside with the cold water. Get a little cursory rinse down, and then we're going to carry it into the warm. To the inside.
I think it's going to turn out great. I like this one.
Too. It looks beautiful. And get it unbanded. Pretty color taken through there. Pretty cool. This is a custom shirt for a neighbor of ours.
We did one for him and his mom.
Yeah, and I think he made a wonderful choice of colors. Ooh, wow. That's nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. All the way down to the corners. That is pretty nice.
It looks great.
Yep.
He's going to love it.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Got a nice little spiral pattern on there. That came out pretty good. Beautiful 4-color tie-dye tee. Look at that good blending. It's hard to tell on camera. The camera doesn't do it justice, but like that right there has the most beautiful transition from blue to green to yellow. I hate it because the camera just doesn't ever do it justice. But man, does this shirt look impressive in person. Hopefully we're about to be able to do something about these not looking that great in the final clips. And most of it's due to lighting, so we're about to improve the lighting. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.